If it's your birthday today, wish you happy birthday. We're wishing Damsel HRH happy birthday from Silverbird family.
Now the song of Damsel, which she called Ajay. Now we're going to use it to say happy birthday to Damsel, we would know as the Grand Matron herself. Our prayer for you be say Ajay, all round down and go be your portion. Would they say happy birthday all the way from Faaji FM? Would they say happy birthday to you, Damsel? More wins, more anointing, more grace, more hits, more recognitions, more endorsements. Happy birthday to you once more, Damsel, the Grand Matron herself, the most sought after female act for Nigeria. Whether you like them or not, watch out. From all of us here for Faaji FM, that communication they say happy birthday to you, and from me, myself, and I, DJ Max, the Giant Slayer, would they say happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. God bless you. Plenty for me. Let's go. Come.